Today, I am going to talk about a very important topic: kidney stones. What should patients with stones eat? And what should they avoid to prevent stone formation? It's a very important topic and a common question many people ask. What diet should we follow if we have stones? First and foremost, it's crucial to drink plenty of water. How much? Enough that your urine is either completely clear or a very light yellow. If someone is in a very hot or sweaty environment, or loses water through perspiration, they need to increase their water intake even more. Secondly, you need to know the type of stone you have. There are different types: calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate, uric acid, and more. Sometimes stones are of mixed types. You can find out your stone type from your doctor through lab tests, or if you pass a stone, it can be sent for analysis. Let's start with calcium oxalate stones, which are found in about 90% of stone cases. This is a very important category. There's a lot of misunderstanding about them. Some fruits and vegetables are high in oxalate, like spinach and chocolate, which can contribute to stone formation. But people often mistakenly think they should reduce calcium intake. That's incorrect. If you are prone to calcium oxalate stones, you actually need to consume a moderate amount of calcium, because dietary calcium binds with oxalates in the stomach and intestines, preventing them from being absorbed into the blood and excreted into urine. Without calcium, more oxalate reaches your kidneys and forms stones. Avoid foods high in oxalate, such as sweet potatoes, spinach, chocolate, and some nuts. Remember, calcium is not your enemy, oxalate is. Keep calcium intake normal and balanced. Next comes sodium, salt. Excess salt intake increases calcium excretion through urine, raising the risk of stone formation. So reduce salt intake, not just for your kidneys, but also for your heart. Processed and packaged foods are especially high in salt and should be avoided. Now let's talk about uric acid stones. These stones are common due to high-purine foods in the diet. Foods like red meat, organ meats like liver and kidney, shellfish, and some fish raise uric acid levels. People often joke about rich foods leading to these stones, but it's a real issue. To prevent uric acid stones, limit red meat and organ meats. Avoid excessive alcohol, especially beer. Drink plenty of water. Also include low-fat dairy, lots of fruits and vegetables, and avoid sugary foods and beverages. Now, regarding vitamins, vitamin B complex is sometimes suggested, but there's debate. Some say it helps. Others say it doesn't matter. Still, normal levels of B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B6 can be taken. Vitamin C is controversial. It might increase oxalate levels, so take it cautiously. Vitamin D can be taken in moderation. The key is moderation in everything. Occasionally eating red meat is okay, but don't overdo it. Some people eat such foods daily, which can cause problems. If you or a family member has had stones or symptoms, consult a doctor and follow medical advice carefully.